Hey everyone, it's Rachel. Today I'll be making butter slime, which I'm super excited about. I've been looking at the internet, seeing if there's any no glue butter slimes that worked out really well, and I found these two which had great end results. If you want, you can check out those later. And both of the creators made it with Crayolas Model Magic Air Dried Clay, but hopefully this dollar store brand will work out too. My mom found it a few years ago, so hopefully it hasn't dried out by now. We'll see. So what you're going to need for your butter slime is some air dry modeling clay and some lotion. You can use any moisturizer, but I'm going to be using a Vino Daily Moisturizing Lotion. The beauty of this is that you only have to use 2 ingredients to make a butter slime. So first, we're going to open up our modeling clay. And oh, that's such a pretty purple. I like that. Okay, the good thing is that it's not rock solid, which is a surprise from how long it's been in our cupboard. So what you're going to want to do is just keep on squishing it in your hands to make it warmer and less of a clay-like texture. This kind of has a weird smell to it, but that will all go away once you add your moisturizer, if you're using a nice smelling one. This kind of has a cool texture too. This is not what I expect modeling clay to look like, so it is, that's nice. So now I'm going to add the lotion to it after a little while of mixing it. So you're going to want to add a lot of the lotion to it, but we're going to start with a few pumps. Another thing is, try not putting it on the table because I got some on my table already, but I'm sure that will wash off after a little while. Yeah, this is starting to get stretchier, I can see, but it will need more lotion, I think. After you've got your butter slime all the way you want it, and I'm quite happy with this recipe, it worked pretty well, and I'm happy about how it feels and how it looks. I'm so happy about the color of it. So once you've got your butter slime all ready to go, you can add nice smelling lotions, or if you already use nice smelling lotions, then you don't have to do this step because you already did. But I didn't want to have a whole tub of my nice smelling moisturizers just go into this, so I'm just adding a bit of it to make it smell nice. I got this peach one from my grandma and it smells really nice, so I'm going to add some of this. I also got this body yogurt banana one from the Body Shop, which also smells nice. So I'm going to add my smelling and just mix that in. Hopefully it'll get rid of the alcohol-like smell that it came with. I ended up just using the banana cream because the peach one didn't quite get rid of the alcohol-y scent. So here is the finished result. When you've got your slime ready, you can even make a little label for it like I did. I called mine Purple Bananas because it's a purple slime and it smells like bananas. So open it up. thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me make some slime. It was really fun for me, and I hope that it was entertaining for you guys at home too. Keep on exploring every corner of your creativity. Bye!